Evening guys, how yous doing? Tonight I'm going to be tying a fly called the Chief Dan George. It's one of my own flies. It's basically a cross between the Clan Chief and the Gorgeous George. So on the vise I've got the Fario Wetfly hook. It's a black nickel, size 10 barbless. And what I'm going to do is put a tag on it. So I'm going to run down some Globrite No. 10. So we'll start about 3/4 up the hook. Just take this down round the bend, touch and turns, and cut off the waist. One turn down, then come back up, touch and turns the best you can. So just stop that there, so we don't want a big step in the fly. Oops, bitter. Just cut that off, cut the waist. We take this up, so what we do is start 3/4, so you don't want a lot of bulk, then take it down, come back up, then start halfway in the hook, so there's no big step at the end. So the thread we'll be using, I've already pre-waxed it, is uni thread in Fire Orange 80. So we'll run this down. Just take this to where the barb would normally be, and do that there, and cut off the waist. And for the tail I've got 16 strands of Globrite No. 4, which is a kind of scarlet. So just tie that in. Oops. And on the way back down I'm going to tie in some silver oval, which is small, number 12. I've already cut a piece off, so just tie that in and just bring it down the side and hold at the tail. And at this point, this is when I'll cut my tail off. I like it shorter than the body, so twist and cut. I'll do the next one. And just pull that out of the way. And for the body, I'm using black seals for. I'll just give the thread a wee wax again. So a wee pinch of black seals for. Just dub it on pretty tight. There we go. This is it. And the hackle I'll be using is a grizzle hen, a red grizzle. So select a hackle to suit a size 10. And just take the fluff off at the bottom and tie this in. And cut off the stalk. Give these a kink. These tend to twist at times, these hackles. So I turn at the top. I'll go for another one. And just bring it down the body. Normally in a Clan Chief you would the red and black hackle and you'd palmer them together, but I'm liking these grizzles. Save you doing that. So just get your rib, catch it, just pull everything forward and just have even turns coming through the hackle. Pull everything back and catch her up, cut off the waist, and just push your scissors in for this at the back so you don't cut in. Tidy up. And what I'm putting in now is 6 legs, so I've got this knotted black pheasant tail. So 3 aside. Just catch these in at the side. Line them up. There we go. That's fine, just keep everything, brush everything back all the time. And cut off the waist. And for the collar hackle, I'm using the black hen. This is one of Lakeland's 4B capes. Cracking for the collar hackles. So select a hackle. I like it slightly longer just for cloaking back. So we tie this one in at the tip. Just cut off the end and tie this in. Get your hackle pliers and maybe 2 turns should be enough. Just brush everything back, nice neat turns at the head. That should do that. And just cut off the waist. And to finish the fly off, I've got 2 jungle cock eyes. So just pull them back. Just pull the hackle fibres back and peel them up. I like to catch it in the black area. So just peel these up. And just check them. Yeah, that's fine. And just pull these back and tie in. Just create a nice little red head. And whip finish. So just and so there we go, folks. That's the Chief Dan George. Like I say, it's a cross between the Clan Chief and Gorgeous George. Works well for wild brown trout and the wild lochs of Scotland. A very handy one to have in your box. So we'll just varnish your head. So that's us guys, I hope you enjoyed that. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, could you please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. It's all good. Thanks a lot people, and I'll catch you on the next one.